How's it going? What's up? What's up? How's it going? All right, we're doing day 2 of game dev speedrun. We made a good amount of progress yesterday. This is our dock right now. While we just get the basics set up, so still need to come up with a name. Why is the chat for restream always like lag out in the beginning? Okay, we should be good. Should be streaming. I didn't even check. You know, I didn't even check if the video got uploaded yesterday. I had to like stop. I had to stop watching them because I had to like stop watching my VODs because I was like killing the like view. Like I would be like, I'm not gonna watch them all, so they would just get recommended to me, and then, you know, I'd basically just be killing the viewership, right? But it's like, it doesn't look like it matters anyways. And I think that one view that I get from like clicking on it and watching it for a bit seems to help a lot. I think it's really just the topic. I think it's the topic in the thumbnail, because like the only views here's like the only things that like get views. So this one got views, and like this thumbnail is like pretty good because you see exactly what this remaking. I could come up with a better name. This one got views, but I think that was just because it's like very topical. This one got some views. I think it's also like, I think you just say Skyrim. Well, it's like clearly not, because like this one didn't get that many views. I think it's the name and the thumbnail. I think if they see this, they're not gonna be like. I also think it's like how quickly I get into the video, right? It's all things to consider. All things to consider. All right. But so let's play it. Let's give ourselves a playthrough on it. And pretty sure I know what needs to be worked on next, and that is the that's going to be like the copying the ice cream to the one for the player. So you want vanilla, so there, because it won't have that there. Yeah, that's okay. So we also need to make sure we click the computer first. Okay, you want chocolates, click the computer. Oh, so you have to have one in your hand. Okay. I feel like the computer is like, it's just killing. It's like killing the. Like, we don't need the computer now that I think about it. Like, we just don't need it at all. It's just an aspect that is causing problems. It's an unnecessary step in the transaction. But we could just as easily get rid of it. Because it's not like it does anything. It's like a confirmation. I think what if we do like a now that I'm thinking about it, like what if instead of creating our own flavors and they like pick randomly, like what if they just like pick a random flavor based off of things that you can do, and it's kind of like a, what is that game, like the cooking, that really popular like chaotic cooking game where it's like okay, I think we just remove the whole process of the computer altogether. I just think it's like completely unnecessary. I think it like does not matter at all. We can just calculate. We'll calculate the price. At the end. And if we really wanted to, we could not even calculate the price. It could just be one solid price. Yeah, I don't think we even need the computer. I think that is like a completely unnecessary step. Yeah, I don't think we do. Let's instead of doing the computer to ring them up, what if let's just do like they'll wait like I don't know 5 seconds with their order and then just move to the next one. Like if they're the next in line, they have like 5 seconds. You do it. You have to like memorize it, and then you give it back to them. And then they're like you get 5 seconds. Then they'll walk to the end, and then you give it to them. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's the way to do it. We'll do like a enumerator. Wait time per order. We can adjust this to. Why is that? I enumerator. Yield return new, wait 4 seconds. No, it doesn't. I don't know why it does this sometimes. It's been doing this to me more often. I enumerator. Oh, is it just because I selected the fucking wrong one? That's annoying as shit. Let's do like a generic, like public float order wait time. We'll default this to like 5 for now. And let's do order wait time and then end order. And for these, instead of doing end line, we'll do some kind of queuing system where they will go to the next person in line. And then we set coroutine, wait time order. Okay. We could also, instead of just going straight to end order, we could do current phase plus plus. Basically does the same thing. Okay, let's see if this works better. Huh? Oh, did it not default to something? Oh, I think it's because this is in like, how do you do 5 seconds in for a, wait, it should be wait 4 seconds, right? It's scaled time. Okay. How do you do? Let's get like something that will work. Do 20. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, then it's just not working. Okay. Oh, I think it's because this needs to be 3 and this needs to be 4. So I just needed to add that back. Because we needed to. Okay, let's change it back to 5. I think that should be working now. Okay, so I think that works. I like that a lot better. I just like that better as a concept. Like, I just don't think we need the computer. Okay, yeah, so I think we need to next... I'm pretty sure this works. We need to make sure that we're holding an ice cream container. I'm sure this is a disposable object. I don't know how we're gonna do that, because like you don't want to be able to like throw away a broom and you're just like, oh shit, I lost my broom, you know? That'd be kind of annoying. But I also do think that certain equipable items should have like different ways you like interact, like, you know, with like a broom or something. You should be able to use like the mouse click. And I'm wondering if like we're overusing like E right now. Like, would some of these things be better as like a left click? Like, would this just be better as a left click? I almost think it would. Like picking up, like then we could do like picking up and dropping with left and right. I almost think like we didn't account for like some of these things. Like I just didn't think, for whatever reason, I just didn't think that like the left and right click would be the main interact button, but it really makes sense for it to, because that's really going to be like the entire point of the game. Let's do this. Let's go and find the interact key. Let's do the attack. And then we'll have another one for right click. We'll add that one eventually. So let's do attack. And I think that'll just replace... That should just replace it immediately. And we just won't use the key E to do that. For whatever reason, it is just eating my inputs like crazy. Like, I do not know why. I think, like, the trash can has always been kind of fucked up, but, like, these are just, like, they're eating all my inputs. But, like, especially with the NPC. I wonder if it's like something with like we'll get to it. We'll figure it out at some point. Okay, so let's do the ice cream container, because when we give it to the NPC, we need to get the ice cream's properties. Not this one, but we need this one. This is where we hold the ice cream properties. Eventually it'll be a list, but for now, to keep it simple, we're just going to do as an ice cream. Instantiate ice cream scoop. Get the material. Okay, so then when we give it to the NPC, we need to get the current how do you, didn't I create something for that? Get held object, and let's get component of the held object, and we'll do ice cream container. And then we need to create a function to transfer or to get the ice cream. No, I actually think we already have that. Get ice cream in container. Get ice cream in container. And we'll store this as an ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream in container. Okay. And then for our held item clone, we need to get the ice cream container, set ice cream, and we will set it as ice cream. We're doing a lot of like get component, and I'm hoping that doesn't cause super bad problems. It should be fine, but oh fuck, I forgot to start the timer. All right, basically 4 hours. Nice. Okay. Very easy actually. Okay, so that's done. Okay, yeah, I think I'm just scrapping the whole computer thing idea altogether. And then we need to make sure that they get the correct order. I think we'll make them pay for it anyways, though. It depends. They should, like, if they don't get what they order, there should be like a chance. They should have like an NPC property to like Karen out, you know? They should have a Karen property. The Karen likelihood. That they just don't pay for it and they request. Okay, so this should be good. And next we need to let's pass the ice cream. Let's pass the ice cream in this. Complete transaction, ice cream. Okay. Check if correct order. So this is in computer. We're not gonna do this. We'll just close computer. So let's open it so that I can comment this out. We just don't need it anymore. Not gonna be part of the process. Yeah, this is gonna check if it's the correct order. Do we even need it to be in? We actually don't even really need it to be on in the game manager. Now that we don't need to do, I guess we don't need to check, but we can do calculate price from this. Calculate price, transfer money, and then spawn like I'm imagining like an indicator, like a text indicator, like coming off of them, that shows like how much they spent on that spawn, like price, like price text indicator on NPC. And that's going to use something I already have called hit display for like RPGs. And it's a really simple script. I've been using it for like years now. Okay. So yeah, this will calculate price. We don't really need to do the correct order because I think that should probably all be on the NPC. And maybe we'll, unless they reject order, and then some kind of NPC satisfaction indicator, or we can just call it satisfaction indicator, and that will be here. The satisfaction indicator needs to be a void. Okay, and this will be about the, can you do emojis and text on text mesh? Because for now it'd be really helpful to do like emojis. Do like a happy face emoji. Otherwise we'll have to like do an image. And I don't really want to deal with that right now. It'd be a lot easier to just do an emoji. No, you can't. Fuck. Fucking itch. I did copy it, right? Oh, wait. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so check if order is correct. So for now, this is just using strings, but okay, but that's fine. So if order, I'm pretty sure order equals, and let's pass in the ice cream, and we'll get an ice cream. If equals ice cream dot ice cream flavor. Then for let's do something. Let's do another one of these, but this will be satisfaction indicator text. Satisfaction indicator display. Change my mind. Okay, and then npc UI.text equals and then we will copy this emoji. Or no, wait, we take in a text or string. I'm hoping that the emoji is considered a string, otherwise I don't know how to do it. String satisfaction, and text will be satisfaction, and then yield return. We'll default it to like 3 seconds, and that's all we need. And then npc dot text equals empty it. Okay. So then if order is correct order, we can actually even make this a bool, because we can do a check on if this is the correct order. And then have the indicator if they reject it or not. So start coroutine, text indicator satisfaction display. Okay. Is not equal to ice cream flavor, then we will get angry face. Okay. So I think this should work. For now, they'll still take it, but later maybe they won't. That'll have to be in like NPC properties. I've been thinking a lot about like NPC properties, like what I should do with that. NPC properties, like attributes, like the likelihood. I think that's how you spell it. Likelihood of like sitting versus like takeout. Like maybe if they're like in a suit, you know, that maybe they're more likely to take out because like, or based off of like wearing a suit more likely to take out. You know, if they come, or if they have they are on a date, you know, they're more likely to sit in. Stuff like that, like creating, you know, adding personality to the characters. I think that would be a really cool idea. Just adds more. It'll be more complex, but like I've done like pretty advanced character stuff. I'd say that's like, if there was one thing that I would say I'm good at, it is like advanced character stuff. Or at least like setting those things up, you know? Okay, let's see if this works. So, chocolate. We could probably speed that timer up, but for now it's fine. Nice. Okay, and also let's make sure that I need to go get a billboard script that I have that I really like. Where is my billboard script? Here it is. Okay, script, non-interactable, billboard. Billboarding is just like when an image just faces the camera, like just turns and rotates towards the camera. It's extremely common, but I just have this billboard script that's really nice, so I like to use that. They're pretty easy to set up, but they can sometimes cause weird effects, so that's what this is for. I think we just turn the whole canvas. Look at camera, I think works. I think it'll work for this. Let's see how it goes. Nice. Okay. Perfect. And then we'll like transfer. We'll do the pay at some other time. Check if order is correct. Show pay. Leap. That's actually we have handled that all in somewhere else. Okay. So okay, so we're actually doing pretty good. What else do we need to do? We actually did so much. Like, I'm like, wait, hold on. How much more do I need to do? Because this is more than I thought I would. Everything that I was like, oh man, stuff seems difficult. It's like it was all really easy. Okay, so now I guess we could do like lines. That will be a really hard part. I've never actually done like a queuing system. They seem kind of complex. There is no point of having a jump. I'm realizing, but no, it needs to be there. It needs to be there. Can you just imagine like jumping around at your workplace? I mean, sounds like a good time in my book. So yeah, let's do like a queue system. It honestly sounds very complex. Not like it's sounds like it should be easy, but like thinking about like the complexity of it, I actually think it's more complex than it sounds. 'Cause you gotta think of like, I don't know. You also have to think like, yeah, you could. I think the very easy way you could do it is just having a transform here, 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 you know, like you could just have a million transforms for every place that you want the next person to be in line at. And like that is like I would say that's probably the best way to do it. Or maybe not the best way, but it's the easiest way to do it. But that just sounds really time consuming, and you know. I was thinking like maybe like having a white head would look better, but it really doesn't. Would gray look better? Gray actually does look fine, but I think the default is perfectly fine. What about pink? I also think I want to change, I really want to change this text here, Choco. Yeah, because it's really annoying me. Is that really the lowest you can put it? Okay. That's fine. There may be things longer than that though, so I actually do need auto size. And we'll put it at like 1 to 0. And so it'll get some kind of decimal place. And also we need to clear it. Okay, so that should be better. The only thing I'm worried about now... Wait, it doesn't have a hex code for that? Oh man. Okay, which one does it have? I need to look at the hex codes, which ones they have in the emojis. They don't have a single angry face. I am stunned. Let's replace one of these, because we don't need... Probably... We don't need... I guess there's a sad face. Let's replace the sad face with... We'll replace the sad face with an angry face. And then we need to find its like hex code value. I actually want to use the red one. I really don't like the... Need to like get the normal one. I don't know how to get it as an image though. This is all considered text. And the only ones they have as images are like the like gradient ones. Yeah, I'll do the I guess I'll type Windows angry face. Fuck. Yeah, I like this one. Here we go. Okay, which one are we replacing? I think we can replace this happy face here. Or we could replace this sad face here. Okay, let's save as PNG emoji 1. We'll replace that, and then we'll get like the sad face emoji, and I'm hoping that it just replaces it. Sad face emoji. Just not the sad face, just the frown emoji. I almost think that slightly, yeah, I think it's the slightly frowning face. Okay, so let's see if that now works. Fuck. What is this attributes? What are they called? File name. PNG file. Dude, I wish I could... I guess it is just frowning face. Let's see. It just looks like way too dramatic, but we'll see. There we go. Okay, so let's replace this with this. Even though it looks pretty odd, let's also do replace this. That one's normal. What the fuck? Yeah, it's like giving me other weird shit. It's like not. It's like that is like. Is that? I think that's showing too. Fuck, dude. What is going on? I wish that it wasn't doing that. Why? Like, why? What's going on there? Okay, hold on. Maybe we'll do this instead. Let's see if that works. Okay. So let's give them the wrong order now. Here you go. It didn't even do anything. What the fuck? I think I needed to wait. I think it got interrupted by that text clearing. Okay. No, yeah, he's angry. He's pissed off. All right, that is awesome. Okay, so we got that working. That's fixed. We can do emoji reactions now. Perfect, perfect. It had to be done in a weird way, but that's fine. I am perfectly fine with doing things in a weird way. Okay. So, yeah, creating a reject order, that will be funny. So what else do we need to do? What else? What's the next step? We also do need to come up with a plan for how we're going to do like multiple scoops. I think we'll do that. We'll wait to do that sec though. Yeah, I really don't know. Let's do multiple NPCs. Let's get the queuing system, because that is probably going to be the most important next step. So let's also do some research. Let's do some research on how do games usually do queuing systems or creating lines with NPCs. How do games usually do it? Queue systems using a combination of data structures, navigation logic, and position management. Yeah, this is what I figured you should do, is like just creating like, okay, so you like have an assigned space that you want them apart from each other, and you like want it generally in a certain area. I feel like the dumb way would be to just create a bunch of transforms and just move them up one, you know, and then you tell the NPC to just go to the next spot in the line. And then afterward, you know, maybe after it gets to the door or something, you can like just have, it's just a fucking free-for-all out there. It would be even really funny if you like had people starting fights, but maybe out of might be out of a little too complex for right now. If I was doing this in Unity, using the basic nav mesh system. What might that look like? Using a basic nav mesh agent involves assigning each agent a specific spot in line, updating the positions. So this is actually just doing what I said too. It's just there's a list of transforms and it's just going to the next spot. So I'm actually what I thought would be the dumb way is actually what this is telling me to do. But this is also probably the dumb way. Stop moving when close enough to the spot. I think that's a good idea. Well, it's probably a necessary idea. Each frame for when needed. I think we'll update it in the game manager when the person when it's necessary. Yeah, I think that's the way we're gonna go. So we just gotta create a bunch of spots. So okay, manager. So let's create a new empty. No, let's create a new empty. Jeez. Zero it out. Guess we could have also done this on here. Create a new empty here. It's creating a rect transform. We don't want that. We'll zero it out. This will be the queue. I'm calling it a queue. It's just better. It's just better than calling it a line for this. I'm only doing it because it's for games development. I would never call it a queue in real life. Okay, so this will probably also have to create. This will be end desk transform, and then we'll probably have to create one for the end desk, and then for this. Let's do it the other way first. Let's do. Let's do them like 1 apart or something. Or 1.25 apart. That's probably fine. All right, so this will be the line for now. Let's create, I guess we could do it in the manager. Let's create a, I guess we could keep those there, but just have public list of transforms, and this will be, line start queue. And then we'll eventually do another one for like the line end. Yeah, I guess we do kind of need one. I actually think instead of like having instead of them just coming to the desk and they just start ordering, you like have to talk to them to start their order, to like show their order. Because like there is a situation like if you're serving another customer, they'll come to the desk. It'd be like you're at Chipotle and they're serving another customer, and then just from the other side there's like, yeah, I want a burrito. They're like, hold on, man, like, you know what I mean? So this will be, let's start this one at this. I guess we can just grab all of them. Lock this down. Yes, I think that's cool. Let's drag this one out of here as well. And maybe we'll drag this one out of here as well too. We probably don't need to now that I think about it, but anyways. So still trying to figure out how to do it. So basically, maybe like when the NPC walks into the door, they are like given their queue position. Yeah, I've never done something like this, so this is all kind of new to me. So let's have have a trigger. Let's create a box collider. And where is it at? Let's get rid of that. Let's do a box collider here. Cube. And this will be a collider that'll basically get won't have a mesh render, or it's a trigger, and it'll basically get their position when they walk in the door. Dude, I watched that Mr. Beast video today. I don't know if it was made today, but it was that one where like they like lock a guy and his ex together for like 30 days. And like, I was thinking it's like, dude, you dodged a bullet. What do you mean? Dude, you dodged a bullet and then you go for another shot, man. You're dating this girl for 4 years, and you're about to marry her out of nowhere. She's just like, I don't want to do that. And then you're like, oh, it was actually my fault. It's like, dude, he's back into the genjutsu, dude. He's back into the genjutsu. It's like, dude, it wasn't. I'm gonna take a wild guess. I don't think it was your fault, man. I don't think it was your fault. Let's get the game manager. I think you can do... Can you get a trigger for something that's not attached to that specific object? I can't remember. I really want this to be... Can I replace this with a regular transform? Can I remove this? Okay, you can. Let's zero it out. I think you can zero it out without messing up anything else, right? Nope. Well, guess it's going where it's going. How about these? Okay, these are fine. Okay, I think that's good. So let's create a box collider. And let's move it to where we need it. And then we can just do the is trigger on I also like, I'm gonna be honest, man, I see a lot of people that are like, dude, Mr. Beast is literally the devil. And it's like, I don't understand. I think I am also like, I am this way with a lot of people. I just don't understand the hate, like almost ever. Like, and I don't think you'll ever convince, like, unless he like did something really bad, I'm gonna be like, I don't actually care. Like, I don't, like, I think there's a lot of people that they hate people because everybody else does, and I'm just not that guy. Like, if everybody hates somebody, that's like, actually that's my guy. Actually that's my unless it, like, if it's for no reason. Like, if you like killed somebody, then like, yeah, like you're a bad person, and you deserve the hate. But like, if you're just like talking to people or just making videos, and like what's crazy is like he's like out there in like Africa building wells, and he's getting it from both sides, dude. He's like, on one side they're like, he's building wells in Africa, dude, they need to learn how to make it for themselves. And the other's like, he's a fucking white savior. And it's like, dude, this is the biggest reality to people who are in the middle of these two insane people. You are not going to please either side. Live your life, do the best you can, don't hate people just because everybody else does, because most of the time the hate is coming from both these sides, and they're both obnoxious, and they both need to go away. But like, yeah, just the almost like the vitriol for Mr. Beast is crazy. Like, I don't get it. I just don't even get it. Like, I'm like, I even asked people, I'm like, why do people hate Mr. Beast? And I did this with like Elon Musk too. I was like, hey, why do people hate Elon Musk? And he was like, well, he's an asshole. And I'm like, well, there's a lot of assholes in this world. Why do you hate this one guy? Like, I think there's, if it's like political, just say so, right? But you're like treating it as though when it was Elon Musk, right? This is even before he's political. People hated him, and they were just like, I was just like, why? Well, he's an asshole. Like, okay. Do you hate Bill Maher? Right? Do you hate all these other people who have made their careers off being assholes? Do you hate Bill Burr? Right? Like, there's people who are celebrated for being assholes. It's like, I hate when like these people, they're like, oh, he's so evil, but they never point to examples. And I'll like ask them, like, why do people hate Mr. Beast? And like, they will literally be like, oh, you just don't know, or like, oh, Google it, right? It's like that's what all of these people say. Oh, just figure it. Oh, he's not one of us. It's like, yeah, maybe it's because you people are insane, and more people would support you if you actually supported causes that made any fucking sense whatsoever. Just can't with these people, man. They're unreasonable. There's nothing that can please them. Now they're like celebrating people's deaths, and it's like, actually, no, you're not the good guys. Actually, you're not. Actually, I think for a long time you have convinced everybody that you are the good guys, and actually, I think you're the bad guys. I think all this senseless hate and like, oh, actually, he's evil. I think that's bad. It's like, well, he's a hateful guy, so we can hate him. It's like, okay, well, then you're no better. Then we should also not listen to you, right? It's like, and if you're talking about you want people killed for that, under your own logic, you're saying that you should be killed because you hate him and you hate anybody that believes in him. And it's like, well, in reality, that is what they want. They want there to be violence, and it's just sad. It's just sad that we've like gotten into this world where like people, you know, right? It's like it's one thing it's on the internet, and like maybe you can convince yourself that these are all bots and these are all not real people, but it's like it's people you know. It's family members. It's people you went to school with, and it's like, man, there is profound evil in this world, and they celebrate death, and it's like, man, what's wrong with society? What is wrong with these people? Like, where did we go wrong? That's a society that people are celebrating murder and death, and it's like that's been the most shocking part about it all. Like, yeah, there's been killings before, you know, and they've, you know, ripped no, they've had profound impacts on people, but it's like, man, nobody's celebrated it before. Not in this way. Like, man, you people are evil. There's something sick. There's something sick and wrong with you. And I think it's so shocking that they've convinced us and themselves that they are the moral ones for hating these people that they say espouse evil. It's like, then what are you doing, right? And what are you doing celebrating? It's like there's nothing moral about you, and I think it's truly becoming a time when like good is evil and evil is good, right? It's like something's wrong with this place, man. You need to get right with God. You need to get right with God. Because something's coming, man. Something's coming. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, so when we on trigger, we want to start the queue process. So I'm thinking, let's go back to this. How do we do? I'm still confused on like how to do this. On trigger enter. We need to. So what do we really? What do we need to accomplish when we do this? So we need to. I actually don't think this function is necessary, but we'll just keep it for now. Actually, I don't think we need to keep it at all. On trigger enter, we get the index of the next customer spot How do we get the first customer spot? How do we start this indexing process? So they would walk in, they would go to the front counter, and then they wait. And I think they're going to wait until you talk to them. That'll be something that we have to change. I also think we need to change, because we probably should be, you should be able to, I'm wondering if you should be able to interact with them if you have an item in your hand. I think I'll worry about that later. Yeah, I think with interact, order, I think we need to just put all of this into an interact. I think with this, navigate to line. And then this is going to just, this basically what will take this place is just waiting. So let's do now, we'll do that anyways, and then let's do agent. I guess we don't even really need to, do we? Yeah, we'll just do plus. I guess we can just delete it and then just not have this, and then just wait for this to the interact. Okay, so then this will basically get the index. So if they are at the navigation line, I'm still trying to think about this, how this needs to be done. So navigate to line, agent, game manager. So I think instead of game manager, just setting the destination here, we need to instead set the destination here, because this is basically going to be our NPC manager. So yeah, I think that's how we will have to do it. So we will get the current index. Let's do a public void. You manage. We'll just call it Q. And then I guess we could probably pass in the NPC, and we'll just call it NPC. And let's create a list of public list of NPCs, and this will be our customer NPC list. Customer per Q. I guess we could just, I guess it's called Q. New list of NPC. Okay, so instead of this, agent set destination. So instead, we also need to we'll create a public variable for, we actually have done all that. Public nav mesh agent, return agents, return agents. NPC dot Yeah, on trigger enter. It will add to the list. Dude, I'm still so confused on how to do this. I'm still like not able to wrap my mind around it right now. So Q, this will basically get, I guess we don't even really need it, do we? Actually, no, I think we do, because this Q is going to just tell us, it's going to go from the start. Like when the NPC is spawned, it's effectively going to get that spot. So then basically on the trigger enter, we need to like reset it and then get the correct Q line. So this Q, I actually think we can just do, I actually think we can just do this, and then we'll get the correct Q line position in Game Manager, because this is just getting them into the building, kind of. Actually though, oh fuck you. I might need AI to do this. I'm like, I can't even wrap my head around like how I should start doing this. This is so foreign to me. Q. So Q, this will basically like reset their destination. NPC destination. And then set correct Q position. Q, I guess we can do Q index and then Q and I guess we could let's do this. Do NPC Q. I'm so confused. I got it. Hey Grok. Okay, so this is the game manager. Then I need to get the NPC. I'll just copy all that. Okay, so how do I create a queue system with these scripts? Oh, jeez. That's large. That's a large script. Okay, I think that'll be good though. Does that still have everything? This is for game manager. Or is it? Okay, and then it also changed NPC, so let's do that. Okay. So it should... Let's just see if this all works right away. Wouldn't that be crazy, dude? What? Where'd the motherfucker go? The fuck? This gets fucking deleted? Why the hell did that happen? God damn it. Just go. I really want to... How do I get it to do... Let's do agent dot... How do you do go out of shop? Is there a function for that? Okay, agent dot set destination game manager dot instance dot end or shop leave shop transform dot position. Okay, but it seemed to like be working. Let's also, there's another script it gave me, which was an NPC spawner script. And I think that'll work with all of this, because that is also something I was planning on doing. NPC spawner. Okay. Dude, what is all that? This is like, I don't understand. Oh, it's just like, yeah, they just write it in a funky way. Invoke repeating name of, I think that's just happens at a, yeah. I like the ones where they, NPC spawner, NPC prefab. I do have a prefab customer, right? Yes. Okay, we will just do that for now. Rate 10 seconds. That's probably fine. Let's just see how that works. God damn it, you fucking piece of shit. How many more did it just create? Where are they going? Dude, the fuck? Okay, this is clearly not working. Where are they going? Oh, do I have a weird like transform set to them? No. Oh, maybe it's because I don't have a... Yeah, I don't have... They aren't being instantiated anywhere. It's just the NPC spawner. Okay, so let's create an emitter transform position. We need to create some kind of... public transform on location spawn position. Instead of this, we'll do spawn position dot position. And we don't really. I guess we can. Is it like unparents it when you do that, right? Okay, so let's create empty, zero it out, 0, 0, 0. Put it over here. This is NPC spawn location. I don't know why I'm doing all caps locks recently. Makes it feel more important. Okay, let's see if this works better. I also need to make sure, one, it like didn't seem to be... Let's delete this for now. Vanilla. And he's just gonna leave. Okay. It definitely broke something. No, it just didn't register what I want to do. Dude, come on. God damn it. What is going on? Did it not... No, motherfucker, why? What's it fucking think is going on here? I think it just read the names. Yeah, that's what it did. It just read the names and I had misleading names. Dude, why do you guys come in and try to fucking... Who fucking uses viewbots? You fucking weird. Oh, viewbots. Dude, you're worse than Kick. You people are worse than Kick. Why is Twitch worse than fucking Kick about bots? You're fucking... Dude, at this point, I fucking hate Twitch. Like, there's nothing I like about Twitch anymore. So everybody's like, oh, Kick is filled with bots. Dude, Twitch is worse. Twitch is far worse. Oh, now he's stuck. God damn it. I also can only do that when I'm not... Okay, so it's definitely clumping them all up at this one spot and just creating a fucking nightmare. Chocolates. And now he's gonna try to get through and he won't be able to. Okay, so that's kind of sucks. I don't know. Let's do one thing. I also think the unfortunate part is that I've only been banning them on Restream. So they're not banned from Twitch, which sucks, because they need to be. They need to be banned on Twitch. How do I become a mod? How do I give myself mod? Oh, I go into mod view. I click you. And you've been banned permanently. Go fuck yourself. Okay, great. He's now been banned. I'm hoping I can like do that from... I wish I could do that from Restream. Anyways. Okay, so what the fuck? What is going on? So the line system didn't work at all. Let's get their index. This needs to be like lowered. It needs to be like 4. Okay, current phase. I'll have to look. I have to look at the NPC queue when they come in. Okay, so they are not getting added to the NPC queue. They need to just go there immediately now that I think about it. Because there's no point in them waiting. I guess I'll just change to 0. Probably be easier. Yeah, let's just have it be 0s. There's no wait time. They'll just go there immediately after I get their order. The only problem, it's gonna clear their thing. It's gonna clear their order right when I click it. Yeah. So instead of, yeah, let's have like 2 seconds. I need to wait a second because there needs to be more people in this line. I'm wondering why it doesn't add them into the queue. Let's see that. Let's go into Game Manager. Trigger enter. Other .get components. Does not contain add NPC. I mean that, oh, I know why. Rigid body. Use gravity, none of that. Is kinematic. That should work down. Okay, and let's just wait a second and let this queue fill up. I don't know why I can't. Can I like push him into this place? For some reason I can't. Oh, let's see here. Let's instead put this here and drag it all the way up. Maybe that's why. It shouldn't be why, but I wouldn't know what else. Is there any other checks that like let's make this current phase. I guess we can check it. I'm wondering if there's like a weird like current phase check that is making it not equal to 1 or something. For what phase we are in at this point. Debug, we are in current phase 0. Okay, well that's why. Um, yeah, this should be front of line. What should happen is when you get to the front of line, maybe it's advances their phase index. Advance phase. Navigate to Q spot. NPC, navigate to Q spot. But like, how do you promote them? How do you find out? Okay, so like what we need to find out is if they are in, if current phase is 0, if is in queue. Let's do else if is in, or not even else if, this actually should be in else if, and if is in queue and NPC, like, and how do we get their queue position? Called after transact to advance the queue. What? Oh, okay. And how do we get there? And there. We need to get their queue. So here's what we should do for this. Let's create a new public function. Public int get NPC index. Let's NPC. Do this int q index of NPC, and we will return this. And game manager.instance.get NPC index of this equals 0. We probably shouldn't check that every second now that I think about it. I'm having a hard time. I'm still having a hard time. I'm trying to figure out how to get the first NPC in the line to advance their phase, or if I should just make it 0, like, or if I should just make this check for 0. No, it should be one. It should be one, but we need to be able to get. I don't know how we get. I guess I'll just do it manually for now. I don't know how we can get the first customer to the index where we can get their order. So for now, I will have to do advanced phase. I should be able to talk to him. And then you can do that. Why did it get really... So it doesn't seem to be... It seems to work for like the first couple though. Like it seemed to work after I did the first one. Right now I don't have that, but let's advance. I can get that. You wanted vanilla. Then I can get your order. Yeah, I really don't understand what's going on here. I think it's getting messed up when these people come back in. I also don't think it's promoting, it's advancing to the... Let's, for this spawner, let's stop spawning them. Okay, it's not gonna stop spawning them. Let's do 100. I think it needs them to be destroyed, maybe? No. Okay. Why is it like double my sensitivity? Current phase 5. Okay, what do you do after that? You go right for the Q, but you're already... So I need to make sure that when they are entering, so it's adding them to the queue again. And since they just got removed from it when they... Instead of this... God damn it, I don't know. I don't know how to go about this. I don't think you could do like backface calling so that it could work when you go in, but it doesn't work when you go out. I don't think you could do that. I don't think you could, not for triggers, I don't think, could you? I think you might be able to. Instead of like a box collider though, I think it would need to be like a plane. Maybe we just do this, and if NPC do, and if entering NPC dot get current phase. Yeah, we'll have to create a new, let's public
3, 2, 1, go.
int get current phase, and we'll return current phase. And if their current phase is not equal to 5, or I guess it's not equal to 0, that means that they're exiting. And then we could also do that if like the line's too long or something. I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go.
Chocolate. Okay, that worked for some reason.
3, 2, 1, go.
So that's giving me some hope that maybe it just like it all works now, and it is perfect actually, and there is nothing wrong with this script the whole time. I need to. What do you say? Do you say vanilla? Oh man. Why do you keep coming back, dude? I don't understand. I also think I need to do this. So we need to check if it's null first, and then entering npc dot get current phase. I think we weren't adding them to queue now that I think about it. And that was for some reason why it just works because it's I don't know actually. Okay. So advance, now I can look at your stuff. Then you go to the next. I give this to you. You should advance to the next, but you don't. I give this to you. I think you are in the spot that is in chocolate. All right, so after we do the first one manually, it seems to just work. And I think the changes I made to the queue makes it so that they don't come back. Great. This is terrific news. I am wondering though, like for the first one, how do we get that to automate itself? I guess we could just do a check in add to queue if you're like the first one in the queue, then you just advance your phase. Let's do if NPC or if Let's do if spot index equals 0, just npc dot advanced phase. Maybe. We also need to make sure we're like deleting them because I think that was causing problems. We need to get rid of this. Vanilla. Wait, that all worked. That all worked now that I think about it. What the fuck? Did that? I wonder if that passed. Let's delete all of these. What's going on with this guy? Says he's not in queue. Current phase is 2. Okay, well that broke it. Okay, it's not reaching the max queue, I don't think, because they get removed after the transaction. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know even know what that could be. Let's make it so that when they reach this spot, they get destroyed. I feel like that could be an answer. Okay, let's make a script. This will just be called destroy NPC. Actually, I think we can just do that from script, can't we? It's just when they reach. Yeah, we'll see if this works. This could just like destroy it right when they exit. So we'll have to see. Maybe instead of this we'll do, I don't know, we'll see. Fuck! Why? Why does it put you at 2? Oh, I bet I know why. Because of that thing we did at the start. Because of this. If spot index 1 and NPC. Oh, we need a way to, for the first NPC that spawns for them to have a current index. I just don't know how to do it. What I could do is I could, for the first one that spawns, so I think for this we might want like an amount. I don't know, is there a way to do like invoke repeating but like have a limit? Because like I might want to have like a customer limit, you know? Let's drag that back into the AI. For this I want to create a customer amount for spawns up until that point, and I also want to make it so that the first customer that spawns advances their phase on spawn. So this is the new script. It added a lot. I don't know about this. We'll see. It would make sense though, I guess. Yeah, it advances their phase, and I don't have any fucking clue why. No, it advances their phase. We need to watch. So we need to watch why that happens. So let's wait for another customer. And this one is 1 by default, should be? Okay. And this one is 0. Okay, still 0 chocolate. What? It just switched, switched to 1 randomly. It switches to 1 when they reach, they're in distance of the end, doesn't it? We have a function for it. Why don't we just do the current phase plus there? I actually think that let's do current phase plus instead of advanced phase. I think it does the same thing. There's a possibility it does it in a weird way though. Yeah, it's when is it setting it to 1? I'm so confused. Okay, so this one is set to 1. We need to watch this guy. Okay. It sets it like when he gets to the position or something. I think what's happening is that it's like pushing him off, and then it's like he's going back to it again. So it's like hitting the same trigger again, which is like, holy fuck, dude. This might be trouble. Let's see. Let's see if just like what? You just randomly changed to 2. Oh my god. Holy fuck, dude. I don't even know like what the fuck is that, man? Let's try to just like lower the threshold maybe. Oh my god, dude, that's fucking infuriating. I'm also like, why is it adding them to a queue? Because it's like they're not reacting at all to the fucking queue. They're just walking right into each other, dude. Yeah, they're just not, they don't even fucking care. Oh my god, dude, it, like nothing about it works. Like no part of it works. What the fuck is this shit, dude? Holy fuck. I think it's actually caused problems because of this. It's auto adding them when from the beginning, before it's gotten their queue position. I might have to like just erase all of this and then start on something again at some other time. Because, oh my god, this is so fucking annoying. Might need to like go watch a tutorial or something. Oh, that's awesome, dude. I fucking love that I can't click on this guy. That's so fucking cool, man. Fucking love that shit. Anyway, it's not in queue. So they seem to be like reacting to the queue now, though. Okay, so they are getting in line, but for whatever reason this one does not want to react to an order anymore. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh, what the fuck? It's because the first customer... Oh, is it... Dude. Okay, let's wait for more people to show up. I think that works now. I really wish that they would like move forward. Okay, so I think it like works. I think the only thing that like really needs fixed is like moving them to the next index after I wonder if we like didn't call these things right or something. Let's Is there any time where we like turn off their agent or anything? Because it appears like we advance and then remote or promote, and then it goes through each of them and increases their index. And then they navigate to the Q spot. I'm wondering though if it's like they're so close that it was not getting it correct because like the threshold was set too high or something. Okay, maybe it didn't work. It's almost like it got worse. Let's try to set him back to 1 and see what happens. So it looks like he moved. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of working now, but sometimes it acts janky as hell, like this. Hmm. Man. Yeah, I don't know. It's very confusing. Very confusing. Yes, there's definitely some things to think about with that. But I think as far as that goes, I will think about them later. I think that's all I'm gonna be able to do for tonight. I might try to stream tomorrow, see if I can make some more progress. I feel like we had some good progress today. Started on the line system. That's is definitely a little bit more complex than I thought. We've kind of figured it out, but yeah, there's definitely more work to be done, that's for sure. But that will be it for today. I will see you guys later. Peace.